Hello guys, I'm at my cabin and there's something really exciting I want to show you, but yeah, I'm talking really fast. Okay, it's about 45 minutes away from here on my way home, so it should be somewhere around. I'll show it to you. I'll show you a picture pretty soon. They put back the feature products around it, and I'll be getting a picture next to it, but I'm going to be putting the picture of the Delorean right now. So we just arrived. It's stopped. There's Hollywood and there's the hat. UCL thing, some wrestling feature, and here's a full shot, and I just got a picture next to it, and that's I'll show a picture, and then that's it with the video.